How to repost autoplay video on Instagram story. So if you want to repost the autoplay video on your Instagram story, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now here you can see there is one of the reel or the video. So if you want to put it to story, you just can tap over the share or airplane like option right next to like comments at the left hand side. Just tap over there, and here at the left bottom corner there is add to story option. If you tap over the add to story, it will be available on your story easily, and it has been autoplayed. So according to the new feature of Instagram, you'll be able to have the autoplaying videos on your story also. But if you are unable to get the feature, then you just can update your Instagram by going to the Google Play Store. And once you update it, you'll be able to have that on your story like this. But if you are still unable to have, then you just can screen record this one. For that, you just can swipe down your notification panel over here and you can screen record. Right now I can screen record because I'm already screen recording, so you just can tap over the screen record and record. And by doing that, you just can tap over your story option, and over here you can select the video that you have screen recorded and you can put it to your story. And by doing that also, you'll be able to post autoplay video on Instagram story. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.